Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you learn Python for beginners on mobile. First, select a reliable Python interpreter app from your device's App Store. Popular choices include Pidroid 3 for Android or Pythonista for iOS, offering a complete development environment. Install the app, then spend a few minutes exploring its interface. Understand where to write code, run programs, and view output. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth learning experience on your mobile device. Next, dive into the fundamental building blocks of Python. Begin by grasping variables, which store information, and common data types such as integers, floats, and strings. Explore basic arithmetic operators like addition and subtraction, along with comparison operators. Then, master control flow statements like if else for decision-making and for or while loops for repetitive tasks. These core concepts form the bedrock of all Python programming. Consistent practice is key to solidifying your skills. Dedicate time daily to solving small coding challenges within your mobile app. Start building simple projects, such as a basic calculator, a unit converter, or a number guessing game. These hands-on experiences help you apply what you've learned in practical scenarios. Also, explore any pre-installed libraries or modules within your mobile environment to expand your coding capabilities. To continue your learning journey, leverage the built-in tutorials and documentation often found within your chosen mobile Python app. Engage with online Python communities and forums to ask questions and share your progress. While mobile is excellent for beginners, eventually consider moving to a desktop environment for more complex projects and access to a wider range of development tools. Keep exploring and enjoy the process of becoming a Python programmer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.